Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be on the best free Shopify apps. As an e-commerce business owner, you likely rely heavily on applications to enhance your store's features and most importantly boost the sales. And while paid subscriptions can provide amazing solutions, free apps are easy to overlook even though they can still deliver tremendous value. I'll be sharing with you the top picks for genuinely free, fully featured Shopify apps that provide true utility without any hidden costs or order limits. And for each app, you will see an overview of the key capabilities, benefits, and reasons why it can be an asset for your particular store. And to kick things off, we have the Shopify product reviews. This one is created by Shopify. This self-explanatory app enables customers to leave ratings, reviews, photos, and more for your products. You can then choose to publicly display those reviews in relevant places like on product pages or collection pages to boost social validation and credibility through the customer feedback. The app provides intuitive interfaces for both the customers to submit reviews and for your store owners to moderate and manage review display. You can directly publish your approved reviews while hiding inappropriate or irrelevant ones. Useful backend management features include the ability to filter reviews by criteria like rating, sort by recency, import and/or export in bulk, and gain insights through data analytics on review volume and sentiment. For a completely free app, Product Reviews packs an impressive range of capabilities to solicit and leverage customer testimonials, which comes in extremely handy for conversion optimization. If you're looking for an entry-level free solution for reviews, this is the app for you. And the best part is, Shopify team maintains and updates it regularly, so you can expect continued support. With the power of social proof so vital for e-commerce, Product Reviews is a valuable free addition. Next up, we have the highly rated free shipping bar app created by Hextom. This app does exactly what the name implies. It adds a customizable bar across the top of your online store that motivates customers to spend more to unlock free shipping. For example, you could have the bar message to say spend $40 more for free shipping, and as customers add items to their cart, the amount shown dynamically adjusts downward, actively encouraging shoppers to reach your set free shipping threshold. This is one of the simplest yet most psychologically effective tactics to incentivize customers to increase their order value. Higher order values drive higher average order value, which directly translates to more revenue for your business. The free shipping bar comes with a robust $9.99 per month premium plan. However, the core features in the free version are more than sufficient for most use cases. You get complete design and styling customization options and unlimited usage with no caps on order volumes or customers. This is one of the most valuable free apps available in the Shopify marketplace. The free shipping bar seamlessly influences upsells in a subtle yet highly compelling way. Another impactful free app is Facebook Channel, the official Shopify app for connecting your store to Facebook. This app streamlines the process of integrating your e-commerce data with Facebook for multiple purposes. For example, you can easily create a Facebook shop profile linked to your products, make Instagram shoppable, and install your Facebook pixel for event tracking. You can also run retargeting ads and so on. The key benefit of Facebook Channel is it makes tricky Facebook store integration steps simple with just a few clicks versus having to manually insert code snippets yourself. I highly recommend Facebook Channel specifically for setting up effective retargeting campaigns. Retargeting shows your ads to customers who previously browsed your website, which has high conversion potential. The app makes creating and managing retargeting ad campaigns much smoother compared to Facebook's Ads Manager alone. For organic Facebook integration and retargeting, Facebook Channel is invaluable. Next up, we have Cart Drawer Cart Upsell. This one focuses on the sales process. It is a relatively new app that delivers powerful free upselling capabilities, as it allows you to create targeted, behavior-based upsell offers within the cart experience. For example, when a customer adds a specific product A to their cart, you could dynamically display a special offer like add this product B bundle and get 10% off your order. As I'm sure you know, strategic upselling tactics are crucial for increasing average order value, and UpCart provides the tools to augment your on-site upsell strategy completely free of charge. There are multiple paid options for this application, but the free to install one also works just fine. It includes all the features on the paid plans, but in case you wanted to try the paid plans anyway, you can get a 7-day free trial. It's definitely worth integrating UpCart soon before a paid version is potentially introduced. And finally, we have the shoppable Instagram feed. This app does exactly what it sounds like. It allows you to elegantly display your Instagram content grid natively within your online Shopify storefront. Each Instagram post can link either back to your Instagram profile to boost followers or directly to relevant product pages for frictionless shoppable discovery. Visually showcasing your brand's Instagram presence directly on your store is a great way to reinforce your lifestyle imagery, social proof, creative vision, and the overall audience reach. While there are many apps that embed an Instagram feed, this InstaFeed application has two major advantages. It has a forever free plan without order limits or restrictions, and it enables shoppable post to product functionality. Strategically blending your social presence with your core e-commerce experience can massively amplify your brand cohesion and conversions. InstaFeed delivers on that benefit proposition with no strings attached. Also, if you're only just starting your Shopify journey, then I highly suggest that you sign up with the link in our description down below. It will grant you a temporary offer where you can open your Shopify store for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. So be absolutely sure to grab that offer before it's too late. And that will be a wrap on today's video. I hope that this video has provided you with helpful strategic framework along with actionable recommendations. Absolutely don't hesitate to leverage free tools that deliver tangible value, and let us know in the comments if you have any favorite apps that we showcased in today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, and see you guys on the next one.